Are you an MKU student and don't know how to register for your online exam? In this video, I will show you the complete process from logging in to selecting online or physical exam sitting and confirming your registration. Stay until the end. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, subscribe for more MKU tutorials, university tips and educational guides. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into the MKU student portal. First, open your browser and visit the MKU student portal. Enter your roll number, enrollment number or EMB code together with your password, then tap login. Step 2. Open the menu. After logging in successfully, tap the menu icon at the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select exam. From the menu, scroll down and tap exam. Step 4. Choose the first attempt registration. Under the exam section, select first attempt registration if you are registering for your regular semester exams. Step 5. Verify your units. Confirm that all your registered units appear correctly. Make sure every unit you intend to sit for is listed before proceeding. Step 6. Choose exam sitting preference. Scroll down to exam sitting preference, select online if you are taking the exam remotely, or choose physical if you are sitting the exam at your assigned campus. Step 7. Registration complete. If you see the message registration successfully, congratulations, your exam registration is complete. You can now print or download your exam card from upcoming exam card print. Important tips: double check all your registered units. Download your exam card before the exam date. Register before the deadline to avoid missing your exams. Contact your department immediately if any unit is missing. I hope this tutorial helped you register for your MKU exam successfully. If it did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and share it with your classmates. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment below. Thanks for watching and all the best in your exams.